Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do have a haul for you guys of a Hot Wheels theme birthday party that I will be having in 2 weeks for a first birthday. But before I get to the haul, I want to update you guys in where I've been, what I've been doing. So my husband and I recently opened a venue, a reception hall. It's been about 2 years now that we've had it. But I realized that over the year, I'm very grateful. It's been going so well for me that I kind of wanted to show you guys how I do my events. Now, compared to where I started to where I'm at now, I think it's been a great progress. I'm a self-taught event planner, but I did go to school, graduated from college, all in the same field. So I am going to be consistent. I am going to be trying to upload at least 2 times out of the week and teach you guys like DIYs, how I start my events from start to finish. So before I get started on the haul, if there's any ideas that you guys have that you guys want me to show you guys, please let me know. Comment below on this video. I did have a subscriber who asked me how do I do these big poster boards, which I will be doing in this channel. I am going to be posting desserts, any DIYs, any tips and tricks that I have to get my event started. Let's get back to the haul. So for this haul, I do buy, guys, everything online. I do not have time to go to the mall and go shopping. This is not a sponsor. Don't think this is a sponsor video, because it's not. It's just I buy everything on Amazon. It's easier for me. So the first thing I have is these boxes, paper boxes. I bought these for the Hot Wheels. I still need to personalize them, but this is just getting an idea for you guys. I will be filling these up, tissue paper, some treats, let me just get this, some games for the boys and girls. I believe there's 12 of each, so that's what I'll be doing. Let me show you guys. Super easy to do. I think it's very in theme of Hot Wheels. So yeah, so we got this. I only got 24 of these. Now, my client wanted to do a racetrack on the table, on the main table where people will be seating, where the guests will be seating. So I was looking for mini cones. I couldn't really find orange ones, which is fine. I spray paint a lot of things, which I can show you guys too how to do that. I will be spraying these, but I think they're super cute and they go well with the theme as well. So yeah, I believe these bring about 40. So it's like around 6 each. I want to say it's around 40. And my venue only holds about 60 guests, which is 6 tables, and we see 10 in each table. So yeah, we are looking for a new location, something bigger, something more elegant. So in here, I did order some of these. These are a novelty. Yeah, I don't know what these are called. So guys, if you guys like any of the things that I have, I will link everything on the description box. I will leave like an Amazon cart of everything that I bought, so you guys can get an idea. I thought these were cute. So let's keep going. So I wanted to get actual tires, like actual car tires, but unfortunately they're super expensive and it's just so heavy to carry just for one event. So I have multiple events, guys, but it's never the same. Everything is always different. So I was like, you know what, let's just go with these inflatables. It's a pack of 4. Now these are actually 2 giant tire tubes. Now these are for like pools and stuff, but hey, I bought like donut ones before and they worked out great for my donut theme. So I'm sure it will work well on this event as well. So I'm basically, the camera's gonna take all of it. So you guys see, wow, they're really big, which work out well. The bigger the better. And these came in a pack of 4. They come in all different packages and sizes. I just wanted something really big, more extravagant, and I went with the pack of 4, the biggest size they had. Okay. So right here we have a racetrack. Now, I want to do this as a runner. It's hard to show you and to visualize right now, but once the event is done, I am gonna vlog the event. So they wanted like a photo booth where kids can take photos and stuff. So I did buy a backdrop, a balloon garland kit, and also the runner, because I thought it was a pretty cool idea. Now I am gonna do other things, the traffic light. I am gonna do the poster boards. There's a lot of DIYs that I will be doing for this event, so I'll be showing you guys as well. So yeah, this is the racetrack. You can, Amazon is just so easy. I do have Amazon Prime, so I get everything within 2 days, sometimes even 1 day. Okay guys, so this is the backdrop. I know everything is like checkerboard, but this is what they wanted, and this is what I have to buy for my clients. This is a 7x5, so it is pretty big. The wall that I decorate is about 10 feet high, but I have drapes and I have other things that I put in the back to fit this. But if you guys can see, you obviously can see there's like checkerboard style on it. What I like about this is that it's vinyl. So it's like very good material. It doesn't break on you. Now I did get, obviously, the traditional. They're not the traditional ones that you put on the street and all, but something that I don't have to spray paint or anything like that. Now this is for the photo booth, for the dessert table. I'll be placing these randomly. So these bring 10. So what I would do most likely is I would add 6. I would add 6 on the racetrack for the photo booth, and then I would add probably the rest on the dessert table. I like everything equal. If it's on one side, it would have to be on the other side. That's just how I am. I don't like things spread out, all crazy, nothing like that. I guess this is the last one. This is our last package that I have. Okay, so this is the balloon. Now I got black, red, and yellow. I will be adding some blue to it. I haven't received the rest of the things that I bought, but these were perfect. Now, if you guys want to see how I do my balloon arches, I can show you guys a tutorial of that. Super easy, and I have an easy way to do it. So if you guys want to see that, just let me know, comment below. So this is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading twice a week. Bye, guys.